Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the castor oil under the lipid containing crude drugs, right? So till now we have discussed about almond oil and the arachis oil, right? So this is the another oil that is known as castor oil since it is obtained from the castor seeds, right? So if you see the pictures about this castor seed, it looks like this only, right? When it will be there in the plant, like that prickle will be there onto the castor fruit, and the leaves arrangement you can see how it is like that, right? From here, if you cut this fruit, the seeds it is going to cut in this way, okay? And the whole seed, if you will remove from the fruit, it will be looking like this only, right? Somewhat black spots will be there, and the reddish brown in color, sometime in black spots with the white in color, right? So like this, from here, there are a lot of oils can be extracted out, and which is going to be viscous and looking like a pale yellow color like this. Okay, so let us discuss what these plants containing the pharmacognostic details. So coming to the synonyms, so when we talk about the synonyms or other names, the first one is the castor bean oil. Since the seeds we can uh, consider or we can name as a bean, right? Then castor oil seed or castor seed oil. Oleum racini, ricini. Okay, ricinus oil. Since ricinus, it is the genus name of this particular plant. Oil of Palma Christi. And the sixth synonym, cold drawn castor oil. Right? Since it is drawn cold expression by the cold expression, that's what it is known as cold drawn castor oil. Coming to the biological source, castor oil is the fixed oil obtained by cold expression. That's what we could see here, right? Cold drawn, right? So by the cold expression, we are not applying any heat or any temperature, only pressure we are applying by the different tools. Cold expression of the seeds of Ricinus communis Lin, which belong to the family Euphorbiaceae, right? So this you have to remember, Ricinus communis Euphorbiaceae, right? So this is the family. Coming to the geographical source where this plant can grow or it is being cultivated, so it is mainly found in India, Brazil, America, China, Thailand. In India, it is cultivated in the different states like Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, and the Karnataka, right? Where it can grow. You might have seen this plant also. It is available, right? Here also you can see near about the Ramoji Film City. This plant will grow up. Coming to the preparation, how we are going to prepare it. Castor oil is obtained from castor seeds. Yes, this is the seeds. From here we are going to obtain the oil. The oil is obtained by two ways or two method, either after the removal of seed coat or with the seed coat. You can do any of one, right? Whether if you want to remove, you can remove, or with the seed coat also, but only the difference is the quantity of oil. Seed coats are removed by crushing the seeds under the grooved roller. Here in this way, if you subject these particular seeds in the grooved roller, then they are subjected to a current of air to blow the testas, right? So that there will be the with the air with according to their weight, they are going to separate it. The kernels are fed in the oil expeller, and at room temperature they are expressed, or the pressure has to be applied at room temperature with 1 to 2 ton pressure per square inch. The quantity of the pressure, the how much it will be, 1 to 2 ton pressure per square inch, till about 30% of oil is obtained. Out of total 100%, at least 30% should be obtained by doing this. The oil is filtered, steamed at 80 to 100 degrees centigrade, like this, to facilitate the coagulation and the precipitation of poisonous principle like resin, proteins, and enzyme lipase which is present in it. Okay, oil is then filtered, and this oil with 1% of acidity is used for medicinal purpose or for the pharmaceutical purpose, right? So here the oil cake, whatever after extracting the oil, it is going to have the residue or cake, oil cake which remains contain the rich enzyme of lipase and about 20% of oil. The cake is grounded again. The next step, the cake is grounded. These are the cakes which is obtained after extracting the oil from here. This like this cake you are going to, that it has to be grounded, steamed at 40 to 80 degrees centigrade once again. Okay, if you are doing so, and a pressure of 3 ton pressure per square inch is applied on it, this yield the second quality of oil. First quality we have already got from directly from the seeds. Second quality we are getting from the cake. Okay, with 5% of acidity, and use it for industrial purpose, not for medicinal purpose. Okay, the residual cake which remains after the expression of the second quality oil still contain 8 to 10% of oil, right? After second, where you have applied 3 ton pressure per square inch, after that also once again cake will be generated, and that cake will be having still 8 to 10% of oil remains. This oil is obtained by subjecting it to extraction in oxalate with lipid solvents, right? Whichever the solvent lipid here. So this again we have to this is the oxalate main body. This is the bypass tube, hyphen tube, condenser, water inlet, water outlet, round bottom flask, heating mantle. Here you are going to put the cake once again, and here the solvent will be there. The vapor will go with the bypass tube. Here it will condense, and dropwise it will fall down, and it will go into this the siphon tube, and it will go to the round bottom flask. Like that process will go on. This oil obtained is also used in industry. The residual cake is used as a manure in cultivation and not fed to animal due to the presence of resin. This is the poisonous substance. That's what you cannot give to cow, buffalo, or other pets which is there in the house. The cake is also used for the production of lipase enzyme. Okay, so if you see the characteristic of such oil, medicinal or the first grade which we have got from directly from the seeds, or pale pressed castor oil is colorless. If it is first grade, it is colorless or slightly yellow color, right? That's what you can see, like this slightly yellow color you will get. It is viscid liquid which has light odor with slightly acrid taste. The taste also you are supposed to remember, the acrid taste, right? And slight small, very low odor you are going to get it. Castor oil is soluble in absolute alcohol in all proportion, right? And these are the analytical parameters for the lipid which we have studied. The specific gravity, if you are going to measure, it is supposed to come 0.958 to 0.969, right? Refractive index, right? When the what do you call, the pass of the light from one medium to another medium, like that refractometer it is there. In that, if you will measure in 20 degrees centigrade temperature, it should fall in between 1.4695 to 1.4730. In between this, if it is coming, that is the pure one and grade one. Acid value not more than 2. Saponification value 177 to 187. Acetyl value should be 150. So this is the range or standard quality parameter has been given for the good quality of castor oil. So whenever you are going to measure the quality and this thing, it should fall in between this range. Chemical constitution: castor oil consists of glycerides of resinolic acid, isoresinolic acid, stearic acid, and dihydroxystearic acids. Resinolic acid is responsible for laxative property. Whatever the laxative property this oil is having, that is because of resinolic acid. Castor oil also contain vitamin F, 90% of the fatty acid contains is racinoleic acid. The racinoleic acid is an 18 carbon acid having a double bond in the 9 to 10 position and a hydroxyl group on the 12th carbon. This combination of hydroxyl group and unsaturated occurs only in castor oil, right? So that is the, if you want to identify the given sample of oil, whether it is pure castor oil or not, 5 ml of light petroleum, because light petroleum it is lipid soluble 50 to 60 degrees centigrade, when mixed with the 10 ml of castor oil at 15.5, it shows clear solution, right? At this temperature, this degree, if you will mix along with this, so it will give the clear. But if the amount of light petroleum is increased, because 5 ml you have taken, right? So if you'll increase to 15 ml, this solvent, light petroleum ether, the mixer become turbid, because with 5 ml 10 ml of castor oil given clear, with 15 ml it will become turbid, or some particles or some color you are going to see. This test is not shown by other oil, so that's what it becomes a specific test for castor oil. Uses: castor oil is mild purgative, fungistatic, used as a ointment base, as a plasticizer, wetting agent, and a lubricating agent in the different formulations. Racinoleic acid is used in contraceptive creams and jellies. It is also used as an emollient in the preparation of lipstick, in the tooth formulations, as an ingredient in hair oil also. The dehydrated oil is used in manufacture of linoleum and alkyl resin. The main use of castor oil is industrial production of coatings, also employed to make the pharmaceuticals and cosmetics in the textile and the leather industries, and for manufacturing of plastic and fibers, right? So this is the oil obtained from castor seeds, right, having lot of industrial importance as well as medicinal importance. This is the very good example of laxative, right? So this is the one drug